In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar, and let me tell you, it's a handy skill to have. If you're someone like me who juggles between different platforms for work and personal arrangements, syncing your calendars can save you lots of time and help you stay organized. So let's hop right in. First things first, go to Outlook.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the gear icon, which is your portal to all things settings related within Outlook. Click on it to access the settings menu and brace yourself for the next step. From there, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see various options. Go ahead and click on Calendar. Now just below that you'll spot Shared Calendars. This is where the magic begins. You need to publish the calendar you want to sync, so go ahead and select the particular calendar you're interested in sharing. You'll see an option for permissions. Choose Can View All Details. This ensures that all your events, including the nitty-gritty details, are visible. After you've done that, hit Publish. When you publish your calendar, Outlook provides you with several links. You're going to notice an ICS link here. It's usually located right below the HTML link, and this ICS link is the treasure we're after. Go ahead and copy it because it's the bridge that's going to connect your Outlook calendar to Google. Now it's time to switch gears and open up your Google Calendar. It will feel like a breath of fresh air to see your calendars in harmony in one place. Look to the left of your screen under where it says Other Calendars. You'll see a little plus sign. Click on that. In the drop-down menu, select from URL. Here comes the exciting part. Paste the ICS link into the designated field here. Once you've done this, click on Add Calendar. And just like that, your Outlook calendar events should start appearing on your Google Calendar. It's pretty seamless, right? Synchronizing your calendars this way ensures you won't miss any appointments or meetings, regardless of which platform you're viewing. Whether you're switching devices or planning your week, having all your events in one place makes your life significantly easier. So, that's it. You've successfully synced your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. It's a simple process, yet extremely effective. Keep this tip in your back pocket, especially as life gets busier. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.